What's going on, guys? Today we're back here with another video of Redemptionist. So basically, you guys remember where, well, I'm not gonna say it really, but you guys know what happened on the last video. So we're here back at it again, trying to see if he can redeem himself. Let's get it. So we're gonna do them at the same time now, and whoever wins the battle gets to go first. Okay, pretty easy. So that does not count as a point. We just want to see who goes first. All right, round one. Okay. Oh, wow. Saved by the wall there twice. Slowing down already. No way. But he might win off of stamina, if I'm not mistaken. He really wore out Lightning L-Drago. Wow, no way. Okay, so first round goes to Burn Claw Fang Leone. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, almost getting knocked out there. Oh, Lightning not playing this time. Let me fix this for you guys real quick. Fang Leone taking some big hits there. Lightning not messing around this time. Wow. Okay. Lightning not messing around this time. Score is 1-1. By the way, guys, this is best out of 10. Oh, man, those hits. Oh my, what the, my goodness. Slow down. Leone with a score of 2 and L-Drago with 1. Ooh. Score is now 3-1. Okay, saved by the wall there. Fight. Oh my goodness, that was a clean knockout right there. Score is 4-1 now. Come on. Ooh. Leone is just getting some clean knockouts now. Score is now 5-1. Okay, getting saved there by the wall. Nice. Great. Finally. The Emperor taking his throne back. That was a great counter. He made him slow down by a lot this time. That was beautiful. What? Bro. No way. Leone really just won that. How did Leone just outspin Lightning L-Drago? That makes no sense. Lightning L-Drago definitely slowed down Leone by a lot here. Look at the difference in their tips. That was not supposed to happen, but you never know with Beyblade. Score is 6-1. Okay. Decent hits. Beautiful knockout by Lightning L-Drago. Lightning L-Drago with 2, Leone with 6. Oh, look at those beautiful butterflies. Can Lightning L-Drago withstand the hits that Leone gives off? Can he out-stamina him though? Again, is the question. There should be no way Leone wins off a stamina battle. There should be no way. There we go. There you guys have it. Score is 6-3. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, beautiful double knockout there. Score is still 6-3. Okay. Wow, Leone just giving everything he has, making Lightning L-Drago just barely tilt there. Can we see a knockout again? I don't know. Lightning L-Drago holding his own, but he's getting low on stamina. But Lightning L-Drago might be able to outspin Leone here. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, I gotta play that in slow motion. I gotta play that in slow motion. Alright guys, I just reviewed the footage. So it looks like Leone got that point there. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, making him scrape there. Nice hits. Nice hits. Beautiful hits, actually. Oh, okay. That could have been a knockout. Saved by the wall there. Lightning L-Drago saved by the wall there. Leone giving off some beautiful attacks, man. Just massive attacks there. Okay. Definitely winning there. Definitely winning. So score is now 8-3. Leone is definitely getting that redemption.
Nope.
Oh. Oh, what happened there? No. Lightning L-Drago with a score of 4. Leone with a score of 8. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. What? That was the fastest, smoothest knockout ever. Game point for Leone here. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot.
Nope.
Oh, nice. Getting his get back for that. Okay. Score is 5 for L-Drago, 9 to Leone. Ooh, beautiful double knockout there. Got to play that in slow motion. Three, 2, 1, go, shoot. Get it. Okay. Oh, that looked like a 3-piece right there to me. That looked like some boxing hits right there. Beautiful. That was amazing. That might just be clip of the day. We got to put that in slow motion though. Anyways, Leone won that. All right, he definitely got his redemption. Burning Claw, as many people would know him for. And I forgot to mention what mode he was on, but I think it looked like it was attack, but I think it's defense mode actually. Okay, wait, he's gonna pose for the camera real quick. Nice, beautiful pose. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, he definitely is in defense mode, because attack mode would be when these 3 claws are hanging up here. But as you can see, in defense mode, he was pretty OP and definitely got his redemption. Definitely. So the winner of this battle is none other than Leone. Burning Claw Leone. Let's give him a victory spin. So for this battle bonus, we will be having Jade Jupiter and Variares. Both Beyblades will be on attack mode, as you can see. Variares' tip and Jade Jupiter's ball is just spinning freely. Best out of 3 wins. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ooh, wow, what a massive attack. The Jade Jupiter not budging at all. Come on, okay, okay. Jade Jupiter definitely wearing out his opponent already. Wow. No way. That was pretty nice. Variares almost got a decent knockout there. Round 2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, my goodness. What a beautiful counter attack. Game point for Jade Jupiter. Oh, again. Wow. Jade Jupiter is the king in this round. Alright guys, that's it for this. video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know what battle bonus you guys would like to see. Peace out.